Hi! So you finally got your new Jeep Wrangler JL, but you just couldn't drive it stock. You added a nice lift with a set of wheels and tires that really bring out the exquisite nature of your Jeep. But more importantly, your personal good taste and wise judgment. Then it hits you. The spare tire. What am I supposed to do with the spare? It hits my bumper and tailgate. Not to worry. Once again, TeraFlex has you covered with the all-new JL specific Alpha Heavy Duty Adjustable Spare Tire Mounting Kit. Yeah, that's a lot to say, but then that's a lot of tire carrier. This work of art is designed to carry up to a 39-inch tire, and the third brake light and rear view camera aren't just an afterthought. The billet aluminum camera housing is built to support your spare for easy removal and use. And the ingenious third brake light mount moves the light to the center of the wheel, and the quick release mount requires no special tools. Just flip the release and it's off. Just like all TeraFlex industry leading tire carrier designs, the Alpha Carrier maintains a keep mama happy one-handed opening of the tailgate. And with no bumper mounting points, the carrier will work with any bumper, including that sweet plastic jewel that came on your Jeep. CNC laser cut brackets with a T6 aluminum adjustable section, and 1,000-hour salt spray tested coatings. That sounds like TeraFlex quality. I think you should buy one right now. Well, right away.